Hi guys, welcome to my next video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the brake cable in any of the mini dirt bike or a pocket bike. Step by step what you have to, it's gonna be really quick video as it is very quick and simple job. So if your brake cable is damaged, you need to replace it. You can purchase the new one from our shop. The link is in the description, and you can quickly replace it. So for that job you basically will need just one Allen key. So you start here at the caliper. You need to unscrew the bolt which holds the brake line. Just to loosen the bolts. See the brake line just pop up, and you pull the brake line here. Then disconnect it here. So basically if it's rear brake line, so you need to move all the brake line through all the holders which holds the line, the cable under the bike. So you just bring it out here on the handlebar, and basically you have two screws here, and you need to turn these two screws. As you can see, they have a space in one place, so you turn both to have a space on both in line, and then just pull the brake line and pull it out from the brake lever. And so you have just removed the old brake line. To install the new one, it's exactly the opposite way. So first install this end into the brake lever, then the line through this line here, then you can twist one of the screws so it won't go out. Push the brake, the cover here, move it the same way it was on your bike. And then just insert through this holder here. Like this. And under the washer in your brake caliper. Now you need to push, see what's the movement on your brake caliper. See, like it is small here. So you pull the line, hold it, and then tight the bolt. Next, check the brake, make sure it is working, and that's basically all. As you can see, it is very quick job. Thanks for watching my videos. See you soon. Thanks.